Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys multiple methods or multiple solutions to fix the product has inventory but shows as sold out. Now this is going to be, like I said, a step-by-step video. So I already made a video about this topic before, and it helped a lot of people, but that video is out, or it's outdated. So this is a new update, and hopefully this is going to help you. So let's get started right now. Okay guys, let's start with like easy things that you can do to fix this problem. Then I'm going to show you guys other methods. Okay, so let's start with the most common problem that a lot of people have. Okay, so the first one, guys, is to go to product. Okay, click on product, and you want to click on the product that you have a problem with. Okay, so let's say this product, and there is a variant. For example, there is one variant that shows as sold out, okay, but the other, you can just see they work fine and there is quantity and people can purchase the product, but one shows as sold out. In this case, you can just delete this variant, okay, and replace it with another one. Just click here and then remove it. After you remove, click here on delete variant, and then you can then add a new one by clicking here on this plus button that says add variant, and then you can add it. Okay, but in case everything here is out of stock, okay, then what you guys need to do is you want to click on each variant. Okay, on each variant you want to click on it, and then you want to select this one that says here continue selling when out of stock. Okay, as you can see, this one, as you can see, it says here continue selling when out of stock. You just need to check this box. If there is like 0 available quantity here, you can just increase it by whatever, like 10 for example, and then you want to click on save, and make sure you do this for each variant. Okay, now when you do this for one, you can just select all variants and you will be able to like make changes to all variants here. Here it says here stop selling when out of stock, continue selling when out of stock. Make sure you select here continue selling when out of stock. Okay, so this is just one of the methods. If this doesn't work, then you can just go with each variant you want to click on it and make sure you select continue selling when out of stock. Now if it's tracked, it says here track quantity, you can just untrack it. That's if you see here, for example, if you click on the variant and it says here it's already checked, you want to uncheck it. But if it's not checked, you want to check it. Just do the opposite of what you see here and see exactly if it's going to help you or not. Okay, so another way, guys, is to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to search here for locations. Okay, so after, guys, you click on locations, you want to add a location. Okay, just add the location where the stock is available. Okay, and when you add the location, make sure you select this button that says here used inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. Okay, just check this one. Okay, check it. Okay, just click on the address like this, and then you want to check the inventory. Okay, you want to check, it says here use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. Just check this box. As you can see, it's buried for me, but if you can check it, you want to check it. But this is by default, it's not this is a default address. You want to add the new address, like I said here, the name and the address, and make sure you check this box. Now if this doesn't work, make sure you download any third-party app that helps you like fulfill online orders. Like if you are using, for example, print on demand, for example, Printify or Printful, make sure you go to your website. Probably you have a problem there. It's not you have on your Shopify. It's not the problem is on your Shopify. It's actually on the website. For example, Printful or Printify. Okay, so just make sure you check that. Okay, probably that's the reason. Okay, so like I said, guys, if you have downloaded Printify, probably you have a problem with Printify. So go to your Printify account and see if there is any problem there. Check the quantity and stuff. Okay, yeah, hopefully, guys, this will help you. If it does not help you, if this video doesn't help, let me know in the comments exactly what is happening on your store, and I will try my best to reply to you guys. Just let me know in the comments below, and yeah, see you there, guys. Drop a like and see you guys next video.